was for a higher juicy news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot era me de Bremo. And unti se unya subscribe to channel dia bomodin share or be subscribe. There be an share over click a the subscribe button no. Na wabele notification no. We na sa video fufu bia be upload no. When the first person was sa ebeka a sa video. Afi we are na wa like video, give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo fufu so na when you be here na wo hu ensem dodo na ra ekoso e wo Ghana me mo hanam. Afi yembura ye ensema abeto yepno so bumayiti a yes report ya ababetu bumayiti sansemi.
Any suspect 3 days ago ya Dampare ko ya de new IGP abey. And when you tun abey adwuma ma tetewe hunu ami akire suspect you that 3 days plano. I obi tun kan kire me sa David mean say IGP tetewe hunu e na ami abenya suspect.
And na ya chinipa na na ebi na etra so a.
Kwabena okay say Kwame plus by allegations be.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kwame plus by allegations be. Sound no may MP kra.
Nekai.
Sir, a between actual suspects. Yeah, we know what DSS and confirm a possible murderers of Ahmed Suale. Now, answer no be can we answer police for the man. Police guard be only 4 or 5. Say we be your code be on the one home. So okay.
Nekai pa.
And then we answer Osaka say evidence we be na wo ho na ebe sebi no obi yi apie na nka se we won na yi apie but the person can say police service no politics wom enti se obi be ye no be nya no nyam de ekodi obi na so a wonye wonye ba ko na obetena so obetena so kopin se we pedeba ansa no de ama no eni se adwuma we Kwabena suspect no police service no obi tun kan che se na anu ya no manya suspect no mo manya da ho na the headquarters wo Dampare ku ahinti oni pe ko mi nso no wanka
e de bu wa ka se Dampare ho ahia
na ne ho ahia Kwabena no boss ye aduma ade na badadada ade be no atena so
e bia na obi so prevent sa nipa na nti na obi so
ne ho ahia de na prevent obi se mo
na be ka ebi so panyi ebi so ate ebi so na Dampare so na prevent sa nipa no so wa de a
se Dampare prevent nipa se
na se e bia
se na ni kan se e bia o no prevent obi
according to you o se e bia na obi so ye den o de sa enti wakata so ena me se ebi so na akoto papa no so eni ono so prevent sa nipa nti na oni wole de onipa no so betim de ede aba because a case like that na Ghana no you interest wom o mampanyi wo interest wom unless previous government no mo so beka so money interest wom. Do you get it? It is obi eni wa na sa issue na e bae no IGP wo interest wo mu a obi timi nka nche me say machi we say machi we ba me fa ma IGP abanye na ye ni say IGP so obi baby and body ni A+.
Obi baby a
IGP only A+ free.
Wa no ntami kan yes ntami kan ma
na no kra defend they say they should let him continue. What they say because why you adwuma kam meaning say onim no oban no wa office akwa no what they say omudi nkomo e na saga A+ na ba be ka say onim nkrofo omo yes I think say Dampare so interest wo mu a ade na sa so be bo A+ ho ban amane sa ode sa na mano so anje
na Kwabena nti say Dampare tiswan pass kan ni pe kan bebrebe number 1 se nipa no a ebi akwa no A+ na nko all pe kwan so de beto Dampare anim no se o no di nti win ana wetia wo na so nti wo se twen eni so wetia wo na so e na win a nipa no number 1 se Dampare mpese asem no ba de win na so officially a nipa no ye ne den edin ti won pese asem no be officially amena hwehwe mu number 2 oye nipa ben ya oye nipa ben yan fan say ya be obidin when you den no bi a emani mi ye dinti ehu a Dampare ehu na ne say nipa so na se de ma me nya hu na me nkata so de me kan what ya say enti say Kwam A+ sa bre no ono wo se o evidence no ampa so o evidence no e na danfo no Dampare a enti hu che no ama wa amana mane yakura
oti free hefa
Then I'm too free.
A+ not too free.
I'm on social media.
It's Dampare who say A+ yes allegation. It is our interest in what you press a Kwabena. Sabambo na so pen me be ma. It is for allegation be na me hwehwem. Meet you.
E duru me be appreciate for. Ono be atesem ya adwuma, ndi na am intelligence, ono be ya adwuma. Asem na nyom for me kwa na esine da social media so ehu a. Si yakuru be bra, enkofo nyina ba bi e tutu atwi a, omo mount search ni apenkofo ni akere wo mo. Wa be obi anko official complaint ma so omo yam saada. And you will be so just a nipa about the report in the about more officially and some will be actually. But in the case of Kwame A+, so you saw the Dampare. I don't think I won't find to any matter of social media. So, and Sana, who said, Dampare Befro. Now, the Dampare, Obi and Shell, who are Manamania, and French, or Bebe and Wafro. Then they class because we say, Ebi a nipa na case in the Beton National, or person sabotage Dampare. It will free one or the other. And as an IGP is no interest, I was a case in one. Obi and Robert Mania Sadia. Now they say, hey, son of you, son of you, let's have a casual interest. Kwabena Babida. Maybe we send the boy of Ghana ha, eh? They send the boy of Ghana ha, Copin baby, a little baby. And send the blessings of Ghana ha, the final say our police service in them. It's not the IGP. Oh, it is a minimum or baby I can't define it. It is a social media, Kwame A+ kind to Dampare and TB. I make sure say young fan say auntie. Obi also a ben auntie and country no. And what team power no video no answer. Obi also am fan no. Into a baby no our friend Kwame A+. Me dey me say o sabotage o ka say case no could do be inside. No. Police e so am penifo so akata so no mo pese o mo prevent sa nipa no. Sa nipa no mo so mo ache no. Sani pebe suspect no enti se ni pebe prevent no a ebe na bi Dampare anim ana me se bi so na kodu penifo so anim mo so prevent se be ba bontin na prevent se be ba bontin na ye ni be yan ntia no e bi so Dampare na prevent se case so ma be say na ho so na ni pen so sabotage no so be da sabotage Dampare no sabotage ba se na 3 days ago ya be ka say oh Dampare ko bi na so set ya chin because e bi do no kwana free won tia fe de baba no si no kwana free afi de baba bontin na so so de baba bontin e na payin ka se fa bibi ba so na bibi baba bontin e be the current IGP na mo bibi baba yes e no so e IGP na baba amane e no na baba amane IGP na baba amane e the police service na baba Case bia obeye bia no just Dampare na be ma ho kwase yi say anai e no kekasa na mo sa na tia na unti bari o mo kekasa na sa na tia na masa obi eno wa sabotage bibia sabotage Dampare na bi ka sabotage your own self eno so ka ho Dampare aduma kan we ya 3 days ago ya nya amefrani suspect ya chi media minim ha wo mo fa so mo che but me gi mi say case ni obi say no sabotage Dampare enti tete wo ni ba na ni ya what we say on in no investigation Debbie enyesa enti asase ba be na Afenyo bia ba bontene meba train yet krum ha yet mo bia na asi yet mo ha bia na asi and yet say ghost names ewo NSS meboa say na Akufo Addo wo ye friend say ba yansa na yekoto aba ghost names no say SI allegation by answer na yekoto say na Akufo Addo interest wo mu a it was set investigation ewo honum ofiri wo na different person na oba ye no say they should set investigation na ye first Akufo no this is scenario Matthias here man pe Akufo Addo asem me person make no me do example dey edi ani dey see example me example amani me ni Akufo Addo example what na do example amani me person me example ya dance you me person me Akufo Addo example me am de ne beye me person make Akufo Addo asem en fani example ma me kan asem na me nkom baby Dampare asem na me ka say eni pa bia sabotage na baduma beye ye ama Suale no manya suspect ne ba ho ekopin baby eliri baby masana shase ye nyesa na meka no esi asemi ye ha ekopin baby eliri baby
inji nisa na Dampare be ka so ni interest wo na obi so the case e
2% of some Dampare in suspect ni
me cancer one now say obi case say sabotage Dampare and I'm telling you that is the case.
We say that is the case. Then we did say bia ade no na wo ho e na bia Dampare ya mo na mane ano no ye bo na mane no
na mama typical example say and I also me for Akufo Addo example
baby am Akufo Addo example wa kwati am chebi green ma mani na sa wa sorry dem mesre mu Ghana for so mo no ho modene wo ba pam no and I know Namchebi Diasa, Yebi Dankwa 1 year, yes, well, Diasa dinner, well, Yoshania Mian, woman in Nasa. Say there be all could be and confirm my example.
Okay.
What do can make the
finance minister example.
Kenoforiata, funny.
The Obedi Kenoforiata then. Okay, Kenoforiata. Na Ghana for do na majority of Ghanaians kase. Omompe e-levy. Meboa. Ena Kenoforiata sope ye kan ya onyi furo so ne
Kenoforiata nkwan na so pa na Kenoforiata na so pa na asem yo person we ya na sa me se Akufo Addo so me se emfa Akufo Addo example mame Kenoforiata obi tu aba ma no
ma brother ma me ma kwa ba
obi tu aba ma Kenoforiata
nto aba ma Kenoforiata brother me no be call police dey ni mo dey we kan me do be ko ye nto aba ma ken ye but so me ne nya ade say Akufo Addo we call retirement zinya no oye former president ye na
ka say baby o kan yo pese o kan no en fan chese na yo say baby oye me say and when I say when I say I'm not teaching
my question is Suale asem no na national interest
yes
meboa
yes
ye ina central fu ina ye gusu ayede ye say police for more modern
no munchi obi
just after 3 days after exit of the former
IGP you know.
Yes, say, and now can 3 days. And then say, I'm gonna start your Juma. And no, say, brother. And then start your Juma. Never who say, see what to she and no man fans no. Say to any Agyapong. Hey, sir. To any Agyapong. It's my question is. To any Agyapong say. I didn't met you when you Ebra Afena Yohuno aba. I didn't met you when you. So some men are to I didn't met you when you. Tiwa Dampare penso position dem no crime police adwuma ai Dampare tiwa specific answer say that you will see I for you see I see what was here for you every part of one was you will CID meboa and CID no and because some to say Suale asem na he no koduro yes CID boss no entities me catch us asem no what you could do there be men tran could do there okay em fan say tiwa na yes case na e bia bedu nanim time o pese yem publish no oja fo si there be ma on publish o se sa dem so me ntra oja fo bia nkasa oja commanders in Gasa, divisional commanders in Gasa, division commanders in Gasa, and PIOs we and to Bianca. Why would the patrol Minka Biano Biasamoha? Wadaurima. You are not doing more Dampare penso ye bia fiatenge. E se so o parliament. I saw you president. So money. There be Body police of parliament. I don't see no pen again. Dampare and that's an walker. It's a why? The man will be sabotage. We are no Suale. We will suspect yes, actually. And you person say
tete Yohuno emura ya mu nkwache we mu no ena di no ye no
say you boni this on koye deputy no ye friend deputy no ye deputy IGP administration na Dampare ni issue wo ho na Ghana for ni issue bia wo ho but ye meka so koye in charge of operations ye time no court go and check how many weeks days months na asem no court wa nti sa to me no na fe ontimi operative from I said I
said me and Jeffrey nsem ana court do injunction to so
until no on pretty
court do injunction to so
yes I know mo de court say ma omo ma court do injunction to so na case what court any na no to pretty court do injunction and not no eye din no officer as a police officer
eduma na injunction nsan wo nyan wo mo ti ho akatia
ana so ko
na wo so ya eduma no ade ko wa ya eduma na ni nti wo so court what you want to try me against now we know demand court na o ko yeduma be say contempt of court kwabena na maka try me waje na so police na deputy IGP mo nja ketua na bi aduma bi ahye wo nsa no waje wan ketua so obi asu kwa court nti wa anye
na obi ka try say in charge of operations na mo different salary mo de manana obi ka try say
then you know duma na wa anye no enu so ho akatua ba me ma
akatua as a deputy your friend is saying as a commissioner of police
na ya duma na bi share ni nsa no
na obi
enti na o kwabena ni bi sa share no te ho no we say ya injunction ato no so enti ya di aduma ben pa na no we nsa
oko office oko tena ho omo de paper ba obesan bi wa mo amfa mo pon kofi untimi nyi na detail so obekọ pension enti no oko o ba ete ye mouse ye ka tro say ye ma won kan news a you have to report obeba office ba won kan news Baba so abadi wakatua
entino na eno na ekyeresen eno na ekyeresen
so we yes staff yes staff so come to ekyeresen ba ya ma won kan news
so ma ni kan news no betua meka na ma so na betina
na so yes staff ye hi wadi
akwamna ba ni jaye agna ko COP Commissioner of Police Commissioner of Police no that's any deputy IGP no say what that's any deputy IGP and ansana tie o can say ofri administration here dey call
operation in charge of operation
member entino na our administration no na our administration and also dey no we fa Suale wo see e be person suspect ya che no
and administration of our police administration no
that be me na me bisa so you are wanting to bisa
who brought the news is it Yohuno
police administration the police letterhead so
very well
honestly the head of police administration and na diaba
very well mama more typical example awa no betima akoye production omo de bebre me omo de ba me yato omo aye bebre me yato menye there was a time a story bi na omo pese menye manye either say agana se na your friends mama ya betem omo ma na ye na me kokuma se omo betre mu ana me na me se menye no me fi wona omo dia obi ba ye no omo di tu na ni mo so obeye waye me ba waye do you then blame my producers say me one mo fa story na ma it sabotage omo ana say me ba one check say ya tie bi awa koye flyer bi bae o kai nipa kro me ka just say who host this person ejo omo pa omo ma me ntina fi na ida say agent Anas Aremeyaw Anas always eti ya ho ni se me ya ba na nipa no host Anas agent host na we bet ma ka say your friends almost sabotage me
eju person the person chere say e bi asem be do Dampare anim ana no say enya ade obeso so
possible
possible and I mean say Dampare no the IGP. Now you said Dampare. Yohuno. And I say anti Dampare. na when you have so many a why you budget for you some to the time when you are so na say Dampare be obi ani the same it is I know no shall go for kan say na ya moni agi da me ko mama mo wen ho o ka kire ne nko nti bi na ehu wonti o kan say ya no say na Ghana police ya akomo and now police for one time you mess a fight the police ni ba wa Jessica ti me na koma no dey me batin si no dey na batin fe no publish crime statistics for 2 years. Crime rate, murder rate, 2022, 2023, journalist.
The issue I what he would say. I didn't know Dampare free or no. Then someone has been arrested. Okay, so he. I don't know, maybe some. I know I can't me. I just want to. When it gets to murder, what I say, Obi Akuobi. The police is conducting an investigation. It is not an easy task. It is never an easy task. Are you telling me and our listeners that since Ahmed sell the case to Bayern, the police had not made any arrest in connection with the murder? Is that your case? That people have not been invited to give their statements? Say Kennedy Agyapong and Waka say he knows the one who killed the gentleman. And no pay. Plus I can say on him. What I say. But you see, that's why I keep on saying that somebody can say something, they all can. When you put him to street proof, when you put him to street proof, and the police must take their time to conduct a thorough investigation, has a prima facie case against a suspect before the police can present that person to court for trial. You talk about JB Dankwa, the lawyer representing the accused person, or madam. Are you aware that the case is in court? Are you aware that that case is being contested fearlessly in court? Are you aware? Now, but if it's contested in court, yes, no. He mentioned JB Dankwa. He mentioned JB Dankwa. So I'm saying that, and you say Abia, Obiaku JB Dankwa, police in here. The but what is said? The recent judgment, recent like case in the Kosono. What is say? There's a point that the judge is questioning the prosecutor. Say, "Oman for some information be amano. Okay, ombe jai guy no manako." So you blame who? So you blame? It's the part say, Bobby, that's what I'm saying. That okay. So when it's come from your experience, yes, who do you blame? You see, from your experience, you blame those who prepare the case to court. One the police. One the police. Yeah. The prosecutors also in charge of the case. That is what that's the criminal investigation department. First, those who conducted the investigation before they will say that this case is ripe to be presented to court. Okay, so let's blame individuals, but not the police service. No, I'm not saying that you should even blame anybody. I'm saying that when there's a high-profile cases like JB Dankwa, like Mahamadu Suale, crime has no expiration date. We should allow the police, the CID, to even if you take 10 years to present the case to court, because at the end of the day, if you take the case to court, you must secure victory. The police at times we put pressure on the police. It's yes, let's take them to court. You take them to court. go into the box. That one is not a political platform. Get to the box. Then when under cross-examination, like what our brother did in the US, yes, we have a new IGP. An effort has been made. Somebody has been picked up. Why should that? And so Nipakunu, I don't know Nipakunu, is he the one who killed what's the name?
Ahmed Suale.
Was he the one? So the police will take that, even if 10 years. At the end of the day, we expect that those who were involved in the murder of the gentleman will be picked up and presented before the court for trial. And no, that is a murder trial. You cannot, because of political expediency, say because of politics, you put divine before the court. That divine okunu, so the judge must give let's rule against him for divine liberty to be taken away. No, that is not how the law works, my brother. That is not how the law works. This is not a civil trial. I'm telling you, as I sit here, meaning say the police under Dampare had made series of arrests. Of course, they will write your statements. You'll be granted police bail. Report. The police will continue until the police is satisfied that look, we have now gotten him. Let's present him before the court. That is how things are done. That is how things are done. The police, in fact, I'm into criminal cases. The police CID, you have no idea. They are doing very well. You have no idea.
So are you holding brief?
I'm not holding brief, but the way I walk on.
No, but you are shocking me.
The fact. That is the fact. You have never handled a case of that sort before. You are not a policeman. You are not a lawyer.
I'm a citizen. A concerned one.
Because you don't know what happens there. You don't know what happens there. Let's see whether Yohuno will present sample before the court as far as that case is concerned. Let's see. Let's see.
Meaning what?
I'm saying, we have a new IGP. And arrest.
I'm just telling you, Yama happened in the past under Dampare.
My brother.
Are you wrong?
You see,
the police institution.
We are not here discussing the right or wrong of Dampare. And Dampare is not the police institution.
But
is not.
He was the embodiment.
I'm saying that Dampare is not Ghana Police Service.
The power hijacking service, no, they are trying to go to Kuom or no, the open or the no.
To say this thing, when you are pick and say that, give an evidence, you speak like a Agyapong. That's what you see. You see, you don't use this platform to make statements which you yourself, when you are put street.
I'm not saying what I'm supposed to say.
The Ghana Police Service. Do you work all what you are saying?
But it's not hearsay.
Do you work with the presidency?
But don't you talk about issues about governance? Have you been appointed as a minister?
No, that no.
No question. Have you been appointed as a minister?
What
now? Who said so? Yeah, you want Ghana Police?
But
he's a citizen.
I'm saying I say my all can. Or say under Dampare.
But first institution go to Kuom.
We have Ghana Police into his pockets. Or any regional commander here, Juma. You don't even
that regional commanders, when you talk to them, they say yes.
I said mention it. Mention the name.
Everybody knows.
No, mention the names.
You. Yes, I'm coming to lie. You when if
Suale, because Dampare exited. Now somebody has been arrested. No, don't say these things. The Ecoso Ghana Police Service, criminal CID department, you don't know. You don't know. I'm telling you, don't know.
See, the kind of pressure. The CID for now will tell you the kind of impediments are under Dampare. Yeah, the two about they were having challenges. There were certain places they couldn't go.
The Ghana we want to create. You don't work with the Ghana police.
I said,
you are not a lawyer. But yes,
you are not even you are not US. As you see, I can't Japan. Can Japan case your US?
I'm not an economist. Okay. If you ask me any question, the pertaining economics, I will let everybody know that me, my education, economics is limited. I say my idea. You don't know. asema mekano what you say ye bia the amount and I'm using my lay mind to make an opinion.
That is what he is
the layman, you know, or he is speaking on facts. Said Dampare when he was the IGP, the police institution is not doing well at all. One, regional commanders. But if you check the statistics, I'm saying go and check the statistics. Whether under Dampare, crime never went down. Go and check.
It's because information here from Babon, they never divulge information about the crime rate.
But
hold on. Kwasi, Mame 2021
yes,
under Buonu.
I don't have it here. I don't have it here.
So I don't know who said that.
Me say I don't have it.
I don't have it. So I don't know who.
Next time when I
give you off head. Give me.
Me see next time. I'll give you set department by
department. So I don't know who. At least give me. Just give me.
Do you dispute it? Do you dispute it?
I dispute it.
So under Dampare 2024. What was?
So give me the figure.
No, you say you have it.
I'm saying the figure.
I'm saying
give me the figure.
Wrong.
But you are saying that under Dampare it was better.
I'm saying that under Dampare armed robbery was down.
So my figures.
I'll give it to you.
When?
This one I'll give it to you. I don't have it here.
So you don't even know.
I know for a fact that under Dampare you can even Google.
But okay, so Google. So Google. No, but you are holding a smartphone. You are holding
my battery is low.
Yo, it is for winning and someone about better. Yapuno so Mikao say so when you subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe. Now, while like if video don't give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my wofufro so that when you be here now and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memoir. Also betimi ache wadwen afa ye somewhere nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mobeti menkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.